You have this app fest coming around on the 26th of this month. So what are you all catering towards while you have this app fest going around across the country?
You mean like?
What's the main motive behind conducting such an event?
So the motivation behind the Microsoft is that the Windows Store needs much more quality apps. For example, the Windows Store, the apps now in Windows Store doesn't have that Metro. I mean the future. I mean whatever what do you say for that? That quality, much quality apps are not there in the store. But and when it comes to students, they have ideas, but they don't know to code with the latest technology. So what we do in AppFest is that we have experts over there, Microsoft experts over there. We have Microsoft student partners over there. So when they come up with their ideas, they can form teams. We will be providing them internet connections, Windows 8, Visual Studio 2012, and we will also providing them with the DreamSpark kits. So once you have the DreamSpark kits, like 60,000 to 70,000 software, they're getting for free, and so with that, they can develop quality apps.
Time around, one thing that stands out is you're concentrating more on student community of this country and not the developers. So what's the main reason behind only concentrating on students and not the whole developing community?
What I think is that once the developer comes out, probably he is not, what do you say, most of them, the old guys or the professional developers, they like to stick on with what they have learned. They might not go for something which is new technology, something like that. That's very rare. But in case of students, they have the youth power in them, and they have the energy in them. So this energy, and they want to do something in the youth. So this is what Microsoft thinks, that student, they believe in the student power.
We also know that you were part of app marathon that happened last year by Microsoft India. How was your experience being a part of it?
The experience was really great because we were exposed to the Windows 8 development systems over there with many developers. We could interact with other developers. We had many experts, Microsoft experts from various companies. They were coming up, they were helping us out. If you have some doubts on the Windows 8 thing, they were helping us out, and they were providing us with the resources, everything. So that's what about the last AppFest. It was like really great.
So it was nice talking to you, Mr. Febin, and hope that this year's AppFest also turns out to be a great success.